All right, so it is that time of the year. We are getting ready to do our shark dissection. It is going to take place on, what is that? It's a Tuesday. So Tuesday, May 26th. We don't have any school on Monday. That is Memorial Day. So on Tuesday, I am actually going into the classroom to clean it up and shut it down for summer. So this is going to be the very last day that I'm actually in the room. And so I figured I would take that time to dissect the shark and then get everything all cleaned up nice for the summer while we were at it. So at 11:30 on Tuesday, May 26th, we are going to do a virtual live dissection of our dogfish shark. And it will be nice and ooey gooey. Anybody is welcome to watch it. There will be an assignment for those who are still completing work for the course. This will actually be either your last assignment or your second to last assignment that will be graded for the year. So it's a big deal. It is awesome to see this thing. They are absolutely giant this year. And so I look forward to seeing all of you there. I will include a document that has all of the information on it, including the link for you to tune into live. It will also be recorded as well so that you can view it kind of at your own pace afterwards when you start answering those questions. Also, if you happen to be working at that time or on a conference call for another class, you can definitely watch that at your own pace. All right, we're looking forward to it.